Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I want to get back to working on the Jeep build. Start working on the rear quarter panel, getting that squared up to the back. Tried to see how much I could get done in this video. But yeah, so I'm not gonna do too much talking. Sun is beaming today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so I got another 3D printed part that I'm gonna be putting on the vehicle. This is a rear diffuser that I'm 3D printing. Trying to use a lot more modern technology to create parts and things like that. So I still will be making the bumper out of clay and also have this 3D printed diffuser that will be skinned in carbon as well. So got a couple parts and pieces that will be back here that will be forged carbon. Bottom lip of the side skirt be forged carbon. As you've seen in the last video, the front lip is forged carbon. 3D printed parts, of course. So like I said, I'll be implementing a lot more modern technology to the vehicle to get things done. So hopefully later on I could get some CNC work done, which I bought a CNC machine, so could do some aluminum parts. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and test fit this up to the rear bumper, get this in place. Even though it's just plastic, I need to reinforce the backside of this in fiberglass and this will be forged. But just gonna put this in place to get a placement so I can start to build out the bumper. All right, I believe I'm finished with the form building, the cardboard forms. Looks pretty good. What I did here is on this body line, right across here, is I was trying to match the front body line. So let's see, front body line, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is this upper portion here is gonna be a part of the quarter panel, and then down here will be the bumper area. So bumper won't be this flat, obviously. It'll be flat, but it won't be that flat. It'll be sticking out a little bit more than that. I'll be building it up with clay. And this side, driver's side, is also finished. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and build the first layer of foam and get this knocked out. Well, obviously, as you can see, this is going to get messy, so I'll have to go prepare myself. All right, so I got as far as I want to get in this video. I was able to block out as much as possible. My 3D printer went down, so I couldn't finish the other half of the diffuser. So when I get that, I'll go ahead and continue with the diffuser part. And pretty much everything else is blocked out. I fell into a couple obstacles with the cardboard where it was too much sticking out. So I had to go ahead and cut the cardboard. So I'm gonna just bring it back But most of this stuff I'm gonna go ahead and attack on the next video. So if you enjoyed it, go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the post notification, and I'll see you on the next video.